Hello friends, in the trigonometry part 1, I have described the easy method to learn the trigonometric ratios of few important angles if angles lies in first quadrant. Now in this session, I will describe to learn the method to find the trigonometric ratios of an important angles if angle lies in second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. Suppose angle is first quadrant, it is second quadrant, it is third quadrant and it is the fourth quadrant. Suppose angle is 120 degree or 2 pi by 3. Therefore, it lies in the second quadrant. 120 degree can be described as 180 minus 60 degree or 90 plus 30 degree. Similarly, 2 pi by 3 can be described as pi minus pi by 3 or pi by 2 plus pi by 6. Similarly, 150 degree also lies in second quadrant, and this 150 degree can be described as 180 minus 30 degree or 90 plus 60 degree. Therefore, similarly 5 pi by 6 can be described as pi minus pi by 6 or pi by 2 plus pi by 3. 210 degree, it lies in this third quadrant. It will lie somewhere here. 210 degree or same pi by 6. 210 degree can be described as 180 plus 30 degree or 270 minus 60 degree. And this 7 pi by 6 can be described as pi plus pi by 6 or 3 pi by 2 minus pi by 3. Similarly, 240 degree also lies in third quadrant, and this 240 degree can be described as 180 plus 60 degree or 270 minus 30 degree. Similarly, 5 pi by 3 can be described as pi plus pi by 3 or 3 pi minus pi by 6. Now, if the angle lies in the fourth quadrant, it is the fourth quadrant. Suppose angle is 300 degree or 5 pi by 3, then 300 can be described as 360 minus 60 degree or 270 plus 30 degree. Similarly, 5 pi by 3 can be described as 2 pi minus pi by 3 or 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 6. Similarly, 330 degree or 11 pi by 6 also lies in fourth quadrant. 330 degree can be described as 360 degree minus 30 degree or 270 plus 60 degree. Similarly, 11 pi by 6 can be described as 2 pi minus pi by 6 or 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 3. If you see it thoroughly, then you will see that if angle lies in second quadrant, third quadrant or fourth quadrant, either it can be described in terms of 180 or 60 degree, that is in pi or 2 pi forms, or 90 plus 270 degree or pi by 2 plus 3 pi by 2. Therefore, we can say that second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant can be represented in two types. Angle in second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant can be represented number 1 by using 180 degree or 360 in degrees or pi or 2 pi in radians. And second form, that angle in second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant can be represented by using 90 degree or 270 degree in degrees or pi by 2 or 3 pi by 2 in radians. There are two methods. Number one this, number two this. Now, in the first step, I will describe how to know the trigonometric ratios if the angle lies in second, third and fourth quadrant by using 180 degree or 360 degree or pi or 2 pi degree. First of all, in the first method, I will describe how to find the trigonometry ratios by using 180 degree or 360 degree in degrees or pi or 2 pi radians. You know that it is quadrant. It is first quadrant, it is second quadrant, it is third quadrant, it is fourth quadrant. First write CAST, you write C in fourth quadrant, A in first quadrant, S in second quadrant and T is third quadrant. C means cos or sec. A means all. S determines sine or cosec. And T represents tan or reciprocal of tan, that is cot. It means in first quadrant all the trigonometric ratios will be positive. In second quadrant, where sine represents sine or cosec, in this quadrant only sine and cosec will be positive and remaining trigonometric cos, sec, tan and cot will be negative. In third quadrant, only tan and cot will be positive and remaining trigonometric ratios will be negative. Similarly, in the fourth quadrant, cos and sec will be positive and other trigonometric ratios will be negative. Suppose we have to find sine 150 degree. This can be represented as sine 5 pi by 6. We are using only pi and 2 pi, therefore this can be represented as sine pi minus pi by 6. It is in the second, pi minus pi by 6 is in the second quadrant, therefore in this case sine will be positive and therefore its value will be sine pi by 6. Sine pi by 6 or sine 30 degree and its value is 1 by 2. Suppose we have to evaluate cos 120 degree. It can be represented as cos 2 pi by 3. That is cos pi minus pi by 3. Pi minus pi by 3 will be in the second quadrant, or in this quadrant only sine and cosec are positive, therefore cos 120 will be negative, therefore its value will be minus cos pi by 3 or minus cos 60 degree, therefore its value is minus 1 by 2. Similarly, suppose angle is, we have terminate tan 210 degree or it can be represented as tan 7 pi by 6. This can be represented as tan pi plus pi by 6. Pi plus pi by 6 is coming in third quadrant. Therefore, here it will be t is written. Therefore, in this case, tan and or cot will be positive. Remaining will be negative. Therefore, its value is tan pi by 6 or tan 30 degree, and its value is 1 upon root 3. Suppose we have to find value of sine 240 degree, or it can be represented as sine 4 pi by 3. It can be sine 4 pi by 3 can be represented as sine pi plus pi by 3. Pi plus pi by 3 is coming in third quadrant because it is pi, and pi by 3 is added in this. Therefore, this angle will be third quadrant, or in this quadrant only tan and cot is positive. Therefore, sine pi plus pi by 3 will be negative. Therefore, it will be minus sine pi by 3. That is minus sine 60 degree, and its value is minus 3 by 2. Now, similarly, suppose we have to find the value of sec 300 degree or sec 5 pi by 3. We can represent as sine 2 pi minus pi by 3. Sorry, sec 2 pi by 3. Now 2 pi is this one, pi by 3 is less, therefore it will be in the fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, here cos or sec are positive, remaining trigonometric ratios are negative. Therefore, sec 2 pi minus pi by 3 will be positive. Therefore, it will be sec pi by 3 or sec 60 degree, and its value will be 2. Suppose we have to evaluate tan 330 degree. It can be represented as tan 11 pi by 6. Sorry, 11 pi by 6. This can be represented as tan 2 pi minus pi by 6. Now again, 2 pi minus pi by 6 will be in fourth quadrant. Therefore, in this quadrant, only cos and sec are positive. Remaining trigonometric ratios are negative. Therefore, tan 330 will be negative, and therefore it will be minus tan pi by 6 or minus tan 30 degree. Therefore, its value will be minus 1 upon root 3. In this session, I have described to know the trigonometric ratios. If it can be represented in terms of pi or 180 degree or in 360 or 2 pi. In the next session, I will describe when the angle is represented by considering pi by 2 or 90 degree, 3 pi by 2 minus 270 degree. That is, second method, I will describe how to evaluate the trigonometric ratios if angle is described in this form. It is all for today. Thank you.